Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 4 messenger tips and tricks. So let's begin. So number 1 is this messenger username. How can you change your username and get your username and edit that? So by here you can see here, after changing username you can go to any Facebook sites and give username and find out easily. And second one is dark mode, that is here explain. You can see here, after this dark mode enabled, you can see in dark mode. And another you can see here, and if you want to ignore any frequent message, or if you want to just ignore that message, then we will go on the portion messages and hold on the messenger, and we can see ignore message here, and just we click here ignore message, and we will not get any notification or any message from that portion. So this is also very cool method to ignore message. And last one is how can we create group in our profile and talk each other. So I'm going to create one group. So after that we will add participant. So I'm adding here one participant. So here you can see I'm adding here one more. So I have choose 2 portion to add in my group. So in this way we will click next, and we will keep the group name here. So I tapped here just for test, and then we will click on create. You can see here, after that it will be created in group and we can chat each other. So in this way we can use this method. So thank you for watching this video. Please keep supporting. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.